The gig economy is booming, and side hustles are no longer a fringe pursuit, they're a mainstream movement. More people than ever are seeking ways to supplement their income, explore new passions, and gain financial freedom. With the rise of online platforms and flexible work arrangements, the opportunities for side hustles are virtually limitless. Gone are the days of relying solely on a 9-to-5 job for financial security. The traditional career path is being redefined, and individuals are taking control of their earning potential through entrepreneurial endeavors. Side hustles offer a pathway to diversify income streams, hedge against economic uncertainty, and pursue personal fulfillment outside the confines of a traditional job. The allure of side hustles extends beyond financial gains. They provide a platform for personal growth, skill development, and the pursuit of passions that may not be possible within the constraints of a primary job. Whether it's writing, graphic design, online tutoring, or crafting handmade goods, side hustles allow individuals to tap into their unique talents and share them with the world. In this era of economic empowerment, side hustles are not just a means to an end. They're a testament to the entrepreneurial spirit, the desire for flexibility, and the pursuit of a fulfilling and financially rewarding lifestyle. As we delve deeper into the world of side hustles, we'll explore the strategies, tools, and mindset needed to build a successful and sustainable hustle stack. The concept of a side hustle stack is simple yet powerful. It involves strategically combining multiple income-generating activities to create a diversified portfolio of hustles. Think of it as building a financial fortress with multiple layers of protection. If one hustle falters, others can provide stability and support. The benefits of a diversified hustle stack are undeniable. It spreads risk, allowing you to weather economic downturns or changes in market demand. It also expands your earning potential, as each hustle contributes to your overall income stream. Moreover, a well-crafted hustle stack can leverage your existing skills and interests, creating a synergistic ecosystem where each hustle complements the others. Building a successful hustle stack requires careful planning and execution. Begin by assessing your skills, interests, and available time. Identify hustles that align with your strengths and passions, ensuring they are compatible with your lifestyle and commitments. Consider the potential earning capacity of each hustle and the level of effort required to maintain it. As you assemble your hustle stack, prioritize activities that can be scaled up or automated over time. Look for hustles that generate passive income or require minimal ongoing maintenance, freeing up your time and energy for other pursuits. Remember, the goal is to create a sustainable system that generates income with minimal stress and maximum efficiency. The digital landscape is teeming with opportunities for aspiring side hustlers. Online platforms and marketplaces have democratized entrepreneurship, providing access to a global audience and a vast array of potential customers. From freelance writing and virtual assistants to online tutoring and social media management, the possibilities are endless. One popular avenue for side hustling is the world of e-commerce. Platforms like Etsy and Shopify empower creators and makers to sell handmade goods, vintage items, and digital products directly to consumers. Dropshipping offers another e-commerce model, allowing entrepreneurs to sell products without holding inventory. The rise of print-on-demand services has also made it easier than ever to create and sell custom-designed merchandise. The sharing economy has unlocked a plethora of side hustle opportunities, allowing individuals to monetize their assets and skills. Ride-sharing services like Uber and Lyft provide flexible earning potential for drivers, while platforms like Airbnb enable homeowners to generate income by renting out their spare rooms or entire properties. Task-based platforms like TaskRabbit and Handy connect individuals with local customers seeking help with errands, home repairs, and other services. For those with specialized skills, freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Guru offer a global marketplace to connect with clients seeking writing, editing, graphic design, web development, and other professional services. Online tutoring platforms like Schooly and TutorMe connect educators with students seeking academic support, while virtual assistant platforms like Fancy Hands and Belay provide administrative, technical, and creative support to businesses and entrepreneurs. While the prospect of multiple income streams is enticing, managing multiple side hustles requires discipline, organization, and effective time management. It's essential to establish a system that allows you to juggle your various hustles without feeling overwhelmed or sacrificing your well-being. Start by creating a schedule that allocates dedicated time for each hustle. Consider using time-blocking techniques where you assign specific blocks of time for different tasks. Prioritize your hustles based on their earning potential, time commitment, and your personal preferences. Be realistic about the amount of time you can devote to each hustle and avoid overcommitting yourself. Leverage technology to streamline your workflow and improve efficiency. Use project management tools like Trello or Asana to track tasks, deadlines, and progress. Explore automation tools that can handle repetitive tasks, such as social media scheduling, email marketing, and customer support. Cloud-based storage solutions like Google Drive or Dropbox can help you stay organized and access your files from anywhere. Communication is key when managing multiple hustles. Set clear expectations with clients or customers regarding deadlines and availability. Respond to inquiries promptly, and maintain a professional demeanor. If you find yourself struggling to keep up with the demands of your hustles, consider outsourcing tasks to virtual assistants or freelancers to alleviate your workload. Countless individuals have achieved remarkable success through side hustles, transforming their passions into profitable ventures and achieving financial freedom. Their stories serve as a source of inspiration and guidance for aspiring hustlers, demonstrating the tangible results that can be achieved through dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to embrace new opportunities. One inspiring example is the story of a stay-at-home mom who turned her love for baking into a thriving online business. She started by selling her homemade treats at local farmers markets, gradually expanding her reach through social media and an online store. Today, her business generates a six-figure income, allowing her to work from home and spend more time with her family. Another success story involves a freelance writer who built a successful career by leveraging his expertise in a niche industry. He started by writing blog posts and articles for small businesses, gradually expanding his services to include website copywriting, email marketing, and content strategy consulting. Through consistent effort and a commitment to delivering high-quality work, he established himself as a trusted authority in his field, attracting high-paying clients and securing his financial future. These stories highlight the transformative power of side hustles, demonstrating how individuals from all walks of life can achieve financial success and personal fulfillment by pursuing their passions and embracing the entrepreneurial spirit. They serve as a reminder that success is not limited to those with traditional career paths. It's accessible to anyone with the drive, determination, and willingness to put in the work. As you embark on your side hustle journey, it's essential to focus on strategies that maximize your earning potential and ensure the long-term sustainability of your hustle stack. By implementing these tips, you can optimize your efforts and accelerate your path to financial success. First, identify high-value hustles. Not all side hustles are created equal. Focus on activities that offer high earning potential relative to the time and effort invested. Prioritize hustles that can be scaled up or automated, allowing you to generate more income with less work. Second, niche down for premium pricing. Specializing in a niche area allows you to command premium prices for your services or products. By positioning yourself as an expert in a specific field, you attract clients willing to pay a premium for your specialized knowledge and skills. Third, leverage your existing network. Tap into your personal and professional network to find clients and promote your services. Word-of-mouth referrals can be a powerful source of new business, especially when starting out. Fourth, embrace continuous learning. The world of side hustles is constantly evolving. Stay ahead of the curve by investing in your skills and knowledge. Attend online courses, webinars, and workshops to expand your expertise and adapt to changing market demands. Finally, track your progress and analyze results. Regularly track your earnings, expenses, and time spent on each hustle. Analyze your results to identify areas for improvement and optimize your strategies for maximum profitability. Use data to make informed decisions about which hustles to focus on and how to allocate your time and resources effectively. The rise of the gig economy and the proliferation of side hustles signal a fundamental shift in the way we view work. The traditional concept of a single lifelong career is giving way to a more dynamic and multifaceted approach to earning a living. The hustle mentality, characterized by adaptability, resourcefulness, and a willingness to embrace new opportunities, is becoming increasingly essential in today's rapidly changing world. As technology continues to disrupt industries and redefine job roles, individuals who possess a hustle mentality will be best equipped to navigate the evolving landscape of work. The ability to adapt to new challenges, acquire new skills, and seize emerging opportunities will be paramount in the future of work. Moreover, the hustle mentality fosters a sense of ownership and control over one's career trajectory. It empowers individuals to break free from the constraints of traditional employment models and create their own paths to success. This entrepreneurial spirit is not limited to side hustles. It extends to all aspects of life, fostering innovation, creativity, and a drive for personal fulfillment. As we embrace the hustle mentality, we cultivate a mindset of continuous learning, adaptability, and resilience. We become more resourceful, more innovative, and more empowered to shape our own destinies in a world of endless possibilities. The future of work belongs to those who are willing to hustle, to adapt, and to seize the opportunities that lie ahead. The world of side hustles offers a pathway to financial freedom, personal fulfillment, and the realization of your entrepreneurial dreams. By embracing the hustle mentality, building a diversified hustle stack, and implementing strategies for maximizing your earnings, you can unlock your full potential and achieve remarkable success in the gig economy. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start by identifying your passions, exploring the vast ecosystem of hustle opportunities, and taking action. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and never stop learning and growing. The power to create a fulfilling and financially rewarding life is within your grasp. Unleash your entrepreneurial spirit, embrace the hustle, and watch your dreams take flight.